In this video, I'm going to show you how to shrink your video size without losing its quality, okay? So many of us may tend to do videos, lengthy videos, and then you do it at very high resolution. Then when it's time to download, you find out it's too heavy or it's too heavy to upload on your different platforms, maybe Instagram, anywhere. It's usually because the weight of the video, the size is too, it's too high. And so most times you want to make it easier to download or to upload on these sites so that you don't waste too much data or it doesn't take forever to upload. So what people do most times is to shrink the video, or well, at most, maybe shoot shorter videos, or come to platforms like the one I'm going to show you to shrink your video size. All right. So this platform I'm showing you now is not applicable to mobile phones, okay? I'm sure I mentioned that earlier. It's only for desktop. So it's a software you can download on your desktop computer that used to shrink your video. So in this case, if you recorded your video on your phone and all of that, all you need to do is transfer it to your laptop, all right? And use the software I'm about to show you to shrink the video, then you can upload it online or whatever place you want to use the video. But what's most important is that if you want to use a mobile app to do this, this is not the platform for it. So simply go to the App Store and type in video size reducer or all of that. I don't know. I don't use any of that. I like this one because it's very effective and it ends up keeping the quality of the video. It's popularly known and a lot of people use it. A lot of people who know it use it. People who are on YouTube, they shoot high resolution videos and then they shrink it with this platform. All right. So advice if you want to use it, fine. If you don't want to use it, feel free to go to the App Store and look for a video size reducer. All right. There's so many there and I don't really trust them, but if you want to give it a try, that's okay. But this is the one I like, and that's why I'm recording this video for you. All right. So the name of the platform is called Handbrake. I've had this platform on my laptop for over 4 years now. It's really, really effective. Handbrake. Okay, this is what it looks like. Handbrake. Now you want to, as you can see, it's a free and open source transcoder for digital video files, blah, 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 blah. To make ripping a video from DVD to a data storage device easier, whatever. Anyway, so what you have to do is to have it on your laptop, all right? So just simply download it. It is completely free, as you can see, and you download it on your laptop, all right? You can see it works for Windows, Mac, Linux, all of that. Anyways, I have a Windows laptop. If you have an Apple or Mac laptop, fine, do that. Okay, so let's just step right into it. Since I already have it downloaded, I'll just go straight to launching the app. So this is what the app looks like. I've just launched it. Okay, so let's start that again. I'm going to just relaunch it again. Handbrake. Okay, so once you download this, it's going to be in your system and you can open it. All right, so let's see. Yes, it's launching now. And that's what it looks like. So the first thing it's going to ask you to do is upload the file, upload the single video file. If you want to do many at once, why I like to do things one at a time, please, so I don't confuse myself. Anyway, so file, you look for the video you want to upload. I'm just going to go for a very quick video, very short, nothing too serious, so that we can run this together. All right, so most times I must tell you something. I've tried doing some videos with this platform before, and when I finished and downloaded the supposedly shrink size, it was still the same size. So that happens sometimes. You just have to keep going back and tweaking a few things here and there, which I will show you. Right, so let's look for any video at all. Let me work with this. This one right here says 39.7 MB. It's a 13 seconds video, okay? MP4. As you know, videos are MP4. So I'm going to upload her onto Handbrake. Because the very short video is not going to take too long, 13 seconds. All right. So now it's there on Handbrake. What I just need to do now is, okay, it's giving me the components of it. It's 13 seconds, yes, blah, 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 13 seconds, yes. Okay, so it wants to know where it should store it after I finish downloading, after I finish making the site. So I'm going to choose to store it in, let's just leave it in downloads, okay? Click save. Let's do that again. Browse and say download. Let's give it a name, right? Shrink video sample, okay? So you give it a name and then click save. So it's going to save the video when I'm done as shrink video sample. So make sure I give it a name. No, that was not going to answer us. Anyway, so now we have that. Output settings, we have how do you want it to produce the video at the end of the day? What's the output you expect? MP4 for sure, we want MP4. Now, this is something that's very dicey. Because we always put our videos online, I always advise tick web optimize. Let it be optimized for web, right? Let it be a version that fits the internet, okay? And so we're going to take that. I want to see what it says. Okay, okay, optimize MP4 for progressive download, after blah, whatever. Anyways, okay, so web optimized. Over here, you want to see, okay, so there are different versions here in terms of presets. Okay, fast 1080 pixels, 30 frames. I think that works. Let's just leave it that way. All right. If you want to do it, come further and reduce the size, but maybe something that should go in an email or whatever. The options are here, but I like to leave this one where it is, just where it is. Okay. Fast, not very fast, but fast, just okay in terms of presets. And so let's come over to the width is correct, the height is correct. I don't want to change that because the size of the components, aspect ratio of the video is just perfect. I'm going to leave that way. Filter, I don't like to go to technical and all of this. Now, video, this is one other thing I like to change something here. All right, so I'll come over to, maybe I'll leave here like this. But again, like I said, if you do it and it doesn't shrink, come here and tweak a few things. But I just like to leave it like that and change only two things, which is web optimize. And then I come here and reduce constant quality. Now, as you can see, it even gave, read what it says here. Set the desired quality factor, blah, blah, blah. I don't want to draw my cursor there. But you see what it says there about suggested values are 18 to 20 for standard definition source and 20 to 23 for high definition sources. So this is already 22 and it says 23 is high definition, 20 to 23 is high definition. So let's see. We can leave it 18 to 20, right? So let's move it to 20. Oops, I should be going the other way. Where's my mind? All right, so 20 works. I took it away from 22 to 20, right? I'm hoping that it will shrink my video a little. Remember what the video was? It was about 30 something. We'll check that out and compare. Anyway, so now we have that. Let me shrink it again to maybe 19. Let's say 19. All right. If you take it all the way here, it's too low, very low, and to be very poor video. So 19 as it's advised, between 18 to 19 or something. What did he say there? He said, okay, that's it. Sorry. Why is it taking so long to show up? Yes, 18 to 20 for standard definition, 2023 for higher. It was 22 before, so we're sticking to, let's stick to 19, just to play safe. All right, so when you are done, what you need to do is click on Start Encode. All right, it's up here, Start Encode. And you see the option here, it says when done, you choose what should happen when you are done. So I say do nothing. So, or you can choose an option, shut down, suspend. No, I don't want to do any of this. Just say do nothing when you're done. All right, so that's it. When you're done, start encode. So we're going to start encoding and to start fixing our videos. So as you can see down here, it's preparing to encode. And this may take a while, depending on how long your video is. Our video is 30 seconds, so I believe it's going to be pretty fast. As you can see, it's already done 11 seconds, has it? Oh, well, I don't know what that means. Okay, this is, I don't know, whatever. But let's see, this is the count to 100%, and then we would have the video ready. So, yeah, you need a laptop for this. If you do not have a laptop, I don't know how you can achieve this because I'm not sure you can work on a mobile phone. Okay, let's just wait for that. I'm just going to pause this video and resume when it is done. Okay, so my video is done. As you can see, I told it to do nothing. So you're just going to keep looking at me that way. All right, so let's go see what happened. Did it shrink the video as desired? Remember, we said we should find it in the download. Okay, so we'll go to download, and shrink video sample. That's it there. 8.91 MB. Ha! Interesting. What was the last size? The last size was, this is it. I'm going to hover 39.7 MB, same video. Okay, so let's look at the bigger video, which is the one before we went to shrink it. What does it look like? It's a very short video, nothing being said. Okay, so look at the quality. Come on. Okay, very clear resolution. So this is the original video, okay? Now, just so I don't waste too much time, let's go to the one that has been fixed, downloads. We called it what? Let's go find it. It's called Shrink Video Sample, and it's now 8.91 MB. If you notice, the length is still the same, 13 seconds. It's still an MP4 file. Now I'm going to play it. So now it's playing. Guys, amazing. Did you see the quality didn't even change? It is still good. It's still good enough. So this is the video right here. This is the video right here. All right, Shrink Video Sample. I didn't change it. So this is a newer video, and you can see the size is much smaller. The size is much smaller. Like the difference is really, really clear compared to the old one, which was, sorry, let me do that again. The old one was how many, the new one, sorry, is what? 8.91 MB. And the old one, the unshrinked version was what? 39.7 MB. Like this thing shrunk it all the way down. So this is why I love Handbrake. And if it doesn't shrink for you, just go try it again. Tweak a few things here and there, little by little, and it will shrink. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go try it out for yourself and see how it works. All right. Have a pleasant day. Bye.